television and satellite channels became famous in India only in the late 90s. It was Doordarshan, India's national television channel, that was predominantly viewed by the public.
ये है दूरदर्शन और आप देख रहे हैं नेशनल चैनल.
The content on DD, be it serials, children's programs or documentaries, were not only entertaining but also educating. Rating these shows is very difficult as each is special in its own way. Today at Simply Chumma, we are going to take a look at a few such programs on Doordarshan for the kids of the 90s to reminisce and for others to enjoy. We begin this Doordarshan series with the best children's programs. Before we get on with the list, here's a special mention. Jungle Book. Every child in the 90s is sure to know the song Jangal Jangal Baat Chali Hai Pata Chala Hai.
Jangal Jangal Baat Chali Hai Pata Chala Hai. Are chaddi pehen ke phool khila hai, phool khila hai.
The title song of Jungle Book composed by music director Vishal Bharadwaj. This was based on the book by Rudyard Kipling. One of the very first cartoons for children in India, this program was a visual treat.
सोच रहा है बाहर आखिर क्यों निकला है. अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है. जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है.
Number 5. Tenali Rama. The Hindi series Tenali Rama was aired in Doordarshan in 1990. It was based on Garlapati Tenali Ramakrishna, or popularly known as Tenali Rama, the Vikata Kavi of Vijayanagara Empire. He was one of the Ashtadigajas, or the 8 poets of King Krishnadevaraya. He was known for his wit and brilliance. Short stories based on his life were written by Kamala Lakshman, wife of the famous cartoonist R.K. Lakshman. Her stories were made into the series, directed by famous director T.S. Nagabharana. Actor Vijay Kashyap played the role of Raman.
अरे ये खिड़की क्यों खुली छोड़ी है? बंद करो, बंद करो. गुरु काम बन गया. हाँ. सीता. हाँ. घर में जितना भी कीमती सामान हो वो सब लेकर आना. हाँ, लाती हूँ. और सुनो. हाँ. वो तश्तरी भी लाना. चांदी की तश्तरी. हाँ, वो भी लाती हूँ. और सुनो. हाँ. वो हार भी लाना मोतियों वाला. हार मोतियों का? हाँ, वो भी लाती हूँ.
Number 4. Potli Baba Ki. A popular children's puppet TV series, Potli Baba was aired in 1991. The series was based on popular fairy tales and also acquainted children with moral messages. Baba, an old man and storyteller, collected stories hidden under rocks by his mother in his potli or bag. With each story, he found that he turned younger by the day.
वाकई मैं जो भी चाहूँ वो सब हाजिर हो जाएगा.
जी बिल्कुल, आप करके तो देखिए, फिर देखिए उस पर किस तरह चुटकियों में तामील होती है.
Potli Baba Ki was co-directed by famous poet and lyricist Gulzar. He also composed the catchy title song Aaya Re Baba, which became every child's favorite. Number 3. Captain Vyom. Captain Vyom introduced the concept of science fiction to Indian audience. This live-action superhero-based story was aired on DD National in 1998. Written and directed by Ketan Mehta, the series had actor and model Milind Soman playing the role of Captain Vyom.
Captain Vyom reporting, sir. Captain Vyom, तुम हमेशा इसी तरह रिपोर्ट करते हो. कोशिश पूरी करता हूं, सर.
The story is set in the year 2123, where humans have conquered the solar system and established space stations on several planets. The Earth is governed by world government headquartered at Delhi. Lo, the moon of Jupiter is one of the most secured prisons in the solar system, which housed 12 of the most dangerous criminals in an incapacitated state. An unknown life form enters the prison through the jailer Maya, and they escape the prison using their abilities to disable the security system in the prison. The world government and the world president, played by Tom Alter, assign a super soldier to capture the fugitives.
मेरा मिशन क्या है सर? ब्रह्मांड की रक्षा। थैंक यू सर।
He is given a team of exceptionally powered soldiers to fight the criminals. The series evolves as they capture the criminals. The 12th inmate Vikal was played by Rahul Bose. Number 2, Shaktiman. India's very first and very own superhero story, Shaktiman was one of the most loved children's programs on Doordarshan.
अरे कौन है ये?
मेरा सुपर हीरो।
This series was directed by Dinakar Jani and produced by Mukesh Khanna. Mukesh Khanna also played the role of Shaktiman, and his alter ego Pandit Gangadhar Vidyadhar Mayadhar Omkarnath Shastri, a photographer for the newspaper Aaj Ki Awaaz. Noted television artist Surendra Pal played the role of Tamraj Kilvish, the antagonist in the series. A sect of saints known as Suryanshis chose a man to fight evil in the society. They train him to energize the 7 chakras in the body through Kundalini Yoga. When the 5 natural elements of life, fire, earth, water, wind and sky invigorated his body, he gained superpowers and became a superhuman. At last, he took a pledge to finish corruption and injustice in society and fight the evil prevailing in the world. Due to his heroic initial works, he is named Shaktiman by a reporter, Geeta Vishwas.
A man of power, a man of Shakti, a Shakti man. Shakti man?
Even Shaktiman.
Yes. Yes, he's really Shaktiman.
Number 1, Malgudi Days. Based on R.K. Narayan's work, Malgudi Days was directed by Shankar Nag. The acclaimed cartoonist R.K. Lakshman was the sketch artist. The story revolves around the life of a 10-year-old boy, Swaminathan or Swami, in the town of Malgudi.
क्या हमारा जीसस कृष्णा की तरह गोपियों के साथ नाचा? क्या हमारा जीसस कृष्णा की तरह मक्खनचोर था?
सर, अगर नहीं थे तो उन्हें मारा क्यों गया? मेरा मतलब है, अगर वो सच्चे भगवान थे तो मांस मच्छी क्यों खाते थे, शराब क्यों पीते थे?
This series was shot mostly near Agumbe, Bangalore and Tumkur in Karnataka. Carnatic musician L. Vaidyanathan composed the music and the role of Swami was played by Anant Nag. What do you think of this list?
वो ले आया?
क्या?
वो?
If you like this video, don't forget to press the like and the share button. And do subscribe to Simply Chumma for more interesting videos on varied topics.